manufacturing. And this not everyone's going to agree with this, but I think it comes down to this. The first thing we're doing with next generation manufacturing is we're taking the amount of cells in a 2,000 liter bioreactor, which is around 200 trillion cells, and shrink that bioreactor, but keep the same number of cells and be able to put it into a single-use bioreactor, ideally single-use because of the build and capital costs. But it's the same number of cells and the same productivity, but we're putting in a small bioreactor. What we're doing, instead of a feed that fills up the bioreactor, we're doing a continuous feed and a continuous harvest. So the stainless steel bioreactor is a 12,000 liter harvest at the end of 14 days. We need a large protein A column for that. These bioreactors harvest every day, every second of every day they're harvesting, and they're actually going on to a much smaller protein A column because we're using it every second of every day instead of every 14 days. So that's kind of in a nutshell what I believe next generation manufacturing is. It's the same number of cells, and it enables a much simpler single-use bioreactor than a stainless steel bioreactor. It enables continuous feed and continuous harvest, and a continuous harvest then enables a very small downstream, a very continuously used downstream, so that we're using the resin, we're using the equipment 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. That, in my mind, is the 80% of the value of going to a continuous integrated downstream, which I'm calling next gen manufacturing. Other people will disagree to some extent, but I think that is where 80% of the value comes from going to continuous and next generation. And so what I'm going